Is your bank spying on you? Well, yes and no. This is what I mean. Every bank in the United States is required to file suspicious activity reports, or SARs, with the federal government when they identify transactions or activities that appear to be linked to criminal activity. As a result, the banking system plays a significant role in the detection and prevention of financial crimes such as money laundering, fraud, and terrorist financing. These reports were very valuable to me when I was an FBI agent because they often identified criminal activity in progress, as well as enhancing my ability to identify the bad guys' bank accounts as well as unknown victims of financial crimes. In fact, the Suspicious Activity Report database is probably the investigative tool that I miss the most now that I'm working as a private investigator specializing in fraud matters. The fact that a bank filed an SAR is a secret, and it was a crime for me to disclose that the financial institution ever even provided this information. Because of that secrecy, the information from the SAR couldn't be introduced as evidence in court. Now, the way around that was to issue a subpoena for the same information that we already had to get the bank records in a more transparent and usable way for the investigation and future court proceedings. Should this upset you? Probably not. As with most things, if you're not using your bank to facilitate criminal activity, they probably aren't issuing suspicious activity reports about your account. And even if they do, the burden of proof still rests with the government to prove you did something wrong, so I wouldn't burn any calories worrying about it. And that's how it works. Have a great day, and be cool.